amazing, amazing, awesome, awesome. This is probably the only sport Taiwanese can play well. Hello and welcome to Talk Chineasy, where we teach you Chinese with ease. My name is ShaoLan, and I'm going to teach you a useful phrase of Chinese every day. In this episode, we're going to learn how to say awesome. Today, we have awesome Jesse join us. Hi, Jesse.
Hi, awesome ShaoLan.
Oh, thank you. Oh, you see, I don't have the Chinese happiness. Okay. All right. So, to say awesome in Chinese, we say 好棒.
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 好 is good.
好.
棒,
棒.
as you can imagine, means awesome.
Awesome.
Yes, and that means awesome, excellent, strong, skillful, smart, anything positive, you name it.
Just like the Talk Chineasy podcast.
Thank you. 棒 originally means a stick.
Okay.
Yes, as an object, it's 棒.
棒.
Yes, and then over time, when it's used as an adjective, it means awesome. And because in China, we like to describe things in a much more profound and precise way.
That's right.
Excellent is not good enough. It has to be even more awesome. So we say 好.
好.
好. 好 originally is good, but then when you use 好 to describe something, that means something really, really good. So 好棒.
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 So we learned in a previous episode about 很好. So this is better than 很好, is it?
This is just no comparison. Right, 很好 means, quite good. It's really good.
Yep.
But then, of course, in English, you know the difference.
Yep.
When I say, oh, it's quite good, it's very good, it's awesome.
Oh, yes. Awesome tops them all.
That's right. And another way to use 棒 is 太棒了.
Is this even better than 好棒? Or is this about the same?
No, it's about the same, but
Okay.
it's slightly different context. You will say, this is great.
Okay.
Yeah, if I say, hey, I got you the ticket for Wimbledon, and you will say, oh, 太棒了.
太棒了.
太棒了, this is great.
Yeah.
So, 太 means very much or too much, but of course, you don't really have too much, too awesome, so it means it's great.
太棒了.
太棒了. And 了 is just the expression we often use at the end of the sentence to express your emotion. 太棒了.
Okay, so it's like a little structure. So you can have 太 at the beginning, 了 at the end, and then change the word in the middle. Is that right?
Yeah, and I think it's the convention. We never hear people say, oh, 好棒了. But we often hear people say 太棒了.
Okay,
We just say 好棒 or 太棒了.
I see. So 好棒 or 太棒了.
That's right.
And let me try one. So 太好了. Does that work?
太好了, means that's great. 太, too much.
Yeah.
Very much.
Yeah.
Good. So it's great.
But you just got me tickets for Wimbledon, so it's 太棒了.
Oh, well, for next year, yes, of course. Why not? And we also learned that 棒 is the bat. Do you know a sport? 棒球. That means baseball.
Well, as you know, us English people, we don't know too much about baseball. We have a game called cricket that's similar, so I can kind of make that connection. But yeah, baseball's big in America, right?
Yeah, it's very big in America, in Cuba, in Taiwan, and this is probably the only sport Taiwanese can play well.
Really?
Yes. In the olden days, yes, not anymore. So 棒球.
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 So that literally means stick ball.
Yes, that's right. 球 is ball. So anything round people use to play is ball. 球.
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 球. So baseball is 棒球.
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 That's interesting. It's different to the English. Base is where you run to. It's not the bat. We don't call it bat ball.
That's a very good point. Yeah, bat ball.
So it's just a slightly different way of thinking about it.
Yep, you don't see the base running around. It's just there.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
As a kid, 棒 is very important. Of course, when you want to be praised by the teachers, by your parents, you are waiting for them to say 好棒.
So this is a great bit of praise, is it?
That's right. So as a kid, they love to hear 好棒,太棒了,好棒,好棒,你好棒. And another important reason why kids love this word, it's 棒棒糖.
棒棒糖.
棒棒糖. Do you know what that is?
I don't. No.
It's not awesome, awesome something. Okay. 棒棒糖 is lollipop.
Oh, okay. Awesome,
So-
awesome sugar.
Yeah, awesome, awesome sugar. And 棒 is awesome.
Yeah.
So you double it to emphasize amazing, amazing, awesome, awesome. And 糖 is sugar. So awesome, awesome sugar is lollipop.
That's a great piece of marketing.
Yep. So as a kid,
Yeah.
I'm no longer a kid, sadly. I love to hear my teacher saying 好棒. And then as a result, as a reward, I will get my 棒棒糖.
Ah, that's nice.
Yep. So today we learn how to describe a person, the work people did, or some amazing situation you are in, or some appreciation you want to tell people. You can always use 好棒.
好棒.
好棒. And as a result, we will give you a lollipop, 棒棒糖. Okay, thank you, Jesse, for sharing with us. And thank you for listening to Talk Chineasy, where we teach you a useful phrase of Chinese every day. We hope you enjoyed this episode because it's really awesome. Please don't forget to rate us, review us, and share what you have learned. Until then, 再见.
再见.好棒哦.
谢谢. Oh, 不客气啊。